Today I want to show you how to create a table in Excel. If we have an example like this, then we have the age. Age can be any age. Now the gender. For the fact that Excel is made up of rows and columns, and we have individual cells, this does not make this information to be in a table. If you want to convert it to a table, you select the information, select the whole data here. Now before I convert it to table, I want to copy this information to another place. Copy like 3 or 4. Okay. So I select this information, this data. Under home, come here, see, format as table. Now, before I do that, I want to show you something, to point out something. If you select this place, notice this place, there's no change here. Come here, you will not notice any change here. But as soon as I select it and convert it to a table, you can pick any kind of table, any format. Click this one. This dialog box here asks, where is the data from your table? We already selected it, so this is the range. Now it says my table has that. That's the option. I'll simply say okay. I'll come back and explain this one. It's okay. See, once it becomes a table, it will give other options here. Now you see some other options here. Now let me show you something. If I decide to delete this top and select this one, I'll come here. See, it's almost the same thing, but in this case it doesn't check this my table has header, because the system is intelligent enough to know that there's no header, or at least it guesses right that there's no header. That's why I did not select this. So I say okay. But notice all these names. See, this name has age, gender, and region. But this one, it's not like that. So the system is intelligent to know. But even at that, you can select this data, come here, select, and uncheck it. If you uncheck it, see, it will not regard it as header. It will just take it as an ordinary data. Come back here. Click. It's okay. So it gives you this one as the header. Now, when we talk about sorting, you now see the importance of this here. So it's very important that if you have a set of data and you have header on top, when you are converting it to a table, you have to indicate that the topmost part of it, your information, should stand as the header. So that is how to convert a set of data to a table. That is the end of the tutorial. Watch out for other tutorial on Excel. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. I'll see you some other time. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.